is up, guys? It is CM Gamer. Today's video, I am going to be shooting myself BB gun. So let's get into it. Let's just load the gun up. Right, it's all loaded up. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Ah! Why did I do this? Look, guys. Don't ever try this at home, guys. Try not to cry, but that really, oh my god, I'm trying not to like what? I'm laughing at the same time. Oh my god, it really, oh my god, it really, really hurt. Look at that, guys. Kind of bleeding. It literally just bled. That's how much it bleeds when you shoot yourself with a BB gun. It's not loaded anymore, but I just... Guys, don't ever shoot yourself with a BB bullet. That's what happens. Stinging now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that like button and I'll see you next time. Peace.